Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in this video I'm going to show you on how to use incognito mode in Google Chrome on PC. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So it's to simply open up your Chrome browser. Then after you open up your Chrome browser, next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here, click on this three dots from the top, and make sure you click on New Incognito Window. So click on that, and it will take you to another page, just like what you see right here. So you are incognito mode version of Chrome browser. Okay. So on getting to this particular page here, this is where you can start to browse on internet from websites across the internet, any type of. So all right. So let's see how we can simply make this of incognito browser on Chrome. So you can simply come to the address bar right here and type in whatever type of site you are looking for. So let's say, for instance, I'm going to type in Amazon. I'm going to press enter key on my keyboard, just like so, and it's going to open up like so. And the next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on the web right here. So just like so, you can go on and browse as much as possible internet with your Google Chrome incognito mode. So you can scroll down and check on anything. You can come to the top right here, also create a new tab and open another website right here entirely. So let's say I'm going to this particular site. So it's open up like so. This is just a normal web browser, but the difference here is just that you will not be able. So this is just the best and simple way to use your incognito mode in Chrome browser. Once you are done with whatever you are doing on the internet and you want to exit from incognito mode, what you need to do is to simply come to the top right here where you see incognito mode, click on that, and then you'll be asked close incognito mode. Simple click on close incognito mode, and you'll be back to your previous normal Chrome browser version. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.